Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into a chat-ready state. Join multiplayer or open the chat box immediately and position your cursor. Once done, invoke your OS emoji picker, Windows Win Plus, or Mac OS Control CMD space, or use the Steam overlay if you play through Steam. If you want in-game graphical emoji beyond text, make sure Smappy is installed first. That prepares your game for mods. Do this now so the next steps let you paste or trigger emoji without pausing gameplay. Next, paste or type emoji directly into chat or a player name field using the picker or your clipboard. The game will treat them as standard Unicode characters. For visual emoji that appear as icons or emotes in-game, install a proven Smappy mod, follow its install and load order instructions, and restart Stardew Valley. Make sure to test these changes in a local co-op session to confirm compatibility and to avoid disrupting online servers. If the emoji don't show, to finish, confirm emoji render properly on other players' screens and that your chosen emoji match server font and locale. Differences there can make characters look like boxes. If things go wrong, disable any recent mods, update Smappy and the mod files, and clear the mod cache before reloading the game. That solves most display issues. Also keep a backup of your save and mod list so you can roll back quickly. Make sure to retest after each change to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.